Office of District School Education Officer DSEO West Giantdales District hakasantere gunai lur arja apulai kala rakhi ya kaski buram ki nonghikai ha District Library Auditorium mentong jowai hakaba usumbot menteri rangba badai ya katanat Urban Affairs jonga sarkar jelau Bah Sniawbhalang Dhar ulawan banyadon lang kumukongsan. Nalor Bah Sniawbhalang lai don ru do ba wailat miki shilla u MLA ka jowai u ba BS Solia u Deputy Commissioner u ba C30 USP nalor ki officer ki nonghikai ki khana school. U Bah Sniawbhalang ulo penpau ka jingiaroh ya ka jing bam tyngkai buit tyngkai bor ki nonghikai ban sandor ya ka lawai ki khana puli. Hakane kasgi la samro ya ki khusnam sha ki nonghikai ki blan no senyang sha ka puli puthi haka district.
Source of inspiration to our students.
Education sector mendunai ke 2026 sutulobi. Nei bentau kemonu ruwan rai student ki kon gomayai yo man ki klur yo gari. And only ways we can do it, we should be a teamwork and between all of us. Kan itu koluti. Da percaya sanction kan yorok diskur kamu bikat ku ye mbam ke sarkar gojo sanction diginya khatnya spa khat pras pa tali school building maybe 3 lakhs maybe 4 lakh per building MD government could let ini kamera kuda penek ditulok kat wi walai kuda percaya pa iwan gon ke challenge ku face pi kuda percaya penjam hagi won mentau ke sarkar jok Mut buku sarkar ye gule murah ejai. But we are here in the chairs. We are sleepless because of our own children in the whole state. Ukur padi gino hikai gumaya gewi kedis kau pini kesini. Hampa iwan buku sarkar migu be murah. We trust you as our leaders. Pa iwan uduna government, you are there to protect us. Even if we do not be, we are here to protect you. That is how we work in the society. And that is the only spirit you'll be able to bring up your districts, especially in the education sector.